Why inventory management matters.
Managing inventory well is critical for small businesses. Too much stock ties up cash, while too little means missed sales. Manual tracking often leads to mistakes, wasted products, or unnecessary expenses. Today, small businesses face rising costs and changing customer demands, making efficient inventory management more important than ever. Finding ways to automate this process can save time and money.
AI-powered inventory solutions.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing inventory management. AI tools automatically track stock levels, predict demand, and reorder supplies when needed. These systems analyze sales data and trends, reducing the risk of overstocking or running out of products. Instead of relying on spreadsheets or guessing, business owners get real-time insights and recommendations, leading to smarter decisions and streamlined operations.
Reducing overhead with automation.
Automated inventory management reduces costs in several ways. By minimizing errors and waste, businesses spend less on excess inventory and avoid costly shortages. Automated reorder points help prevent both stockouts and overbuying. With less manual tracking, employees can focus on serving customers or growing the business. These cost savings add up, helping small businesses stay competitive.
Setting up AI inventory tools.
Getting started with AI inventory management is easier than it sounds. Many software options are designed for small businesses and integrate with popular point-of-sale or e-commerce systems. Choose a tool that matches your needs and budget. Most platforms offer user-friendly dashboards, automated reporting, and helpful tutorials to guide you through the setup and optimization process.
Future-proofing your business.
AI-driven inventory management isn't just a trend, it's becoming essential. As small businesses adopt these tools, they gain a competitive edge with better accuracy and lower costs. Automated systems help businesses respond faster to market changes and customer needs. By embracing AI solutions now, small businesses can protect profits and position themselves for long-term success.